Okay, so here is the scenario that we ran into, where just your centers are off. That's the only thing that you need to fix. This is eliminates at least one step here, which I'll explain at the end here. I'll configure the cube so that it's in that situation, and but for now, this is how we fix this. Okay, so you're going to find one edge that needs, so for instance, what you want to find is one edge needs to go left or right to the right spot. So we'll do it this way. So we want to get this blue over here, and therefore this orange will go somewhere else. And if it doesn't go to the right spot, then we'll fix it. But just concentrate. It makes it easy. Just to explain, find the one that and face you. So this is. I'm going to do that. You move your cube exactly how you see it move here. Don't do opposite or anything. I'm going to do it opposite for you. Okay. So what we're going to do to get this this blue in line here where it should be, we're going to turn this around so we're not messing with this here, and then we're going to turn our top the direction that we want to move this. So we want to line this blue cube up here with this blue center. Okay. Once you do that, we're gonna do this again. We're gonna move the sides down. Okay. Once the sides are down, we're gonna do this and turn it back up to the way it was. Okay. Then we're gonna turn our sides back up. Okay. Sides are back up. And you'll just notice that we've got two yellow and a white, and the whites you'll see that the white down here, that's where it's bare, so we're going to move this top over one, the same direction that we moved it in the first place, and then we're going to move this to the bottom. Okay. Now we have a full blue side. Okay. With the one move, you notice the blue is full, but the other sides aren't. So we're going to move the blue to the back, and we're going to do the exact same move. Just we're going to go in the opposite direction now because we want to get the green over here. If you leave the full side, if you have a full side, put it at the back, and it will switch these three. So it'll move whatever direction you want. As long as you have a full side back, then you're good to go. So we'll just do this the opposite direction. So the only thing that's going to change is the direction that we turn the top. All the other moves is the same. So on this one we moved the blue from here to here, so we turn the top this way. This time we're going to turn the top this way instead, because we want to move the green. Okay, so we'll do that move again. So we're going to flip this. We're going to move our top the right direction. We'll put our sides down. Bring this back up. Move our sides back. Top goes sideways again. There you have it. We just got to get our whites back on the bottom. That's it. Our cube is complete. Okay. Not too bad. You just got to remember these algorithms. I can do them pretty quickly, but for your sake and doing them opposite, it's a little confusing. And that's it. So let me reconfigure this cube to show you the previous, a different step. Okay, so you'll end up filling out the top here, and you'll end up with something like this, where you have some corners that are swapped, or some right corners and some wrong corners. Generally what I like to do is if we have two sides or two corners that are complete like this, so this is red and red and everything else is wrong, blue and green. this has 2 red ends. So I like to move that to the back. I like to move it like that, regardless of where the center is. And when you look on the other side, you'll notice that these are wrong because they need to be swapped. These 2 sides need to be switched. Okay. To switch those sides, this is what we're going to do. So if you end up with a full top, but corners are opposite, and this is how we do it. So we and remember this algorithm. So it's just follow along. It's pretty. It is. This is probably one of the most complicated ones. Forward. And then we're going to do the back twice. Okay. So we're going to turn the back twice. And then we're going to do this side up. And we're going to do the back again. Doesn't matter what way you turn the back because you're turning it twice, so you can go twice one way or twice the other. And then you'll see the lights there, and we'll turn that up. Okay, so now our sides are switched. Okay, so the reds move, so you gotta turn the top. So when our reds are back in the spot, you'll notice that now all of our corners are in the right spot. Usually I find you only have to do that move once. As far as I know, rarely you might have to do it twice. So remember that algorithm good. That's how you do it. And then you can continue on to the last move. Our centers are off, so find a center that you can move over one. There are none, so you just got to do it twice. That's it. So let's do that. We'll back. It doesn't matter which way you move this top because there's none to line up. So we'll just move it this way. Put those down. Put them back up. Turn our top. Okay. So now we got one side done. Just because of the way that you move these, it's like a diagonal. You only move 3 pieces, kind of thing. So we finished one. Move that to the back and do it again. So let's do that. Do that again. Oops. We gotta move our top. So we want to move the red side this way. So this is the way we'll move our top. Go down, down. And basically just continue on from there. Move that up. Go back up. Sorry, I really should have moved this way, but it doesn't really matter. That's where the white is. It's pretty obvious from here. Move the white to and your cube's complete. That's it. Cool. You should have a solved cube.